Welcome so much, viewers. This is Boniface Okombo Online Math. Today we are talking about rules of differentiation. And our second rule of differentiation is the product rule of differentiation. Product rule of differentiation. Now, whenever you hear the word product, what comes into your mind is multiplication. So then here we are going to talk about two functions that are multiplied together. We have two functions put together by multiplication. Then we are going to see how we can get the derivative of such a function. A function that is a composite of two functions brought together by multiplication. So, what is the product rule of differentiation? The product rule of differentiation. Now, supposing we have a function y, of course, a function of x equals to u v, where u and v are functions of x. Functions of x. Y is equal to uv. U and v are functions of x. So, by product rule of differentiation, as I say now, u and v are brought together by multiplication, as you can see. So, by the product rule of differentiation, we have dy dx equals to, we take the first function, hold it constant, then multiply by the derivative of the second function. So we have u held as constant multiplied by dv dx. Then plus, we hold the second function constant, then multiplied by the derivative of the first function. So we have v held constant, then multiplied by du dx. This one here becomes our product rule of differentiation. Now, supposing we wish to get the derivative of x sine x. X sine x. Now, as we said, these are two functions brought together by multiplication. We have x and we have sine x. Now, according to this rule here, our u, of course, of x equals to x. Sine x is our v in this case. So, v, of course, of x equals to sine x. Now, let us now apply this rule of differentiation to get the derivative of this, having our u as x and v as x. Now, we have u and constant, our u is x, so we are going to have y prime is equal to u, which is x, of course, and constant, multiplied by dv dx. This is the v. Now, the derivative of sine x is cos x. Cos x. Now, plus, we hold v constant. V is sine x. And x, the derivative of x. Now, in my previous video, I talked about power rule of differentiation. Now, if we have y is equal to x, now this is u equals to x. By power rule of differentiation, the power here is 1. When power is not indicated, we know that that is 1. Now, by power rule of differentiation, we said we take this one, multiply, then we reduce it by 1. So we have 1 multiplied by x raised to power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So our the derivative in this case here is 1. So we have du, which is x, dx, we've seen it's 1. So 1 multiplied by any number is that number. So the final derivative of this one, with this, having in mind the product rule, of course using the product rule, we have y prime equals to x cos x plus sin x. Thank you so much. That is the product rule of differentiation.